we're back, and today we're in SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida. This park is the best because of all the animals in the wild. Sea life. Guys, it is so hot here. I need visor. Oh, it's so pretty. It's Sesame Street.
You're taking that one?
Definitely.
All right, let's go.
Excited. They're so pretty. Look at them. Wait,
Where are they? Oh my gosh. Oh, there's one.
Look.
Oh my
I
gosh.
thought they were sharks. You missed it.
Oh, he waved hi to you, Hailee.
Guys, we are at the dolphin show. This is the last show time at 5:30.
Going into Sesame!
Cookie! Nom 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 nom. Oh, nom nom.
So cool!
Oh, nom 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 nom.
Love making new friends.
Cookie!
Wow!
I just got off the Kraken, and let me tell you, I hate it.
What happened?
It was whack. I mean, that wasn't whack, but it was like scary, and my head was hurting. Stuff, because I got into an accident once on a roller coaster that my head banged around so much that I had a headache, and I was gonna like throw up, and I couldn't eat for the rest of the day, and I was starving though. So yeah.
What is going on here?
I don't know. I think there was something on this side of the car.
Your face, look at your dad.
Guys, we are waiting for the orca show. I'm so excited. Like, are you excited, Maya? Yeah. Becky, are you excited? I'm so excited. And I have animal crackers because I'm hungry. So guys, I have some news for you. The orca show was canceled because of the weather. I'm going to show you guys right now. Look, it is raining, so the orca show is canceled. We're just going to stand here for the rain. So we don't get wet. This is just great.
What is that?
It's real.
No way. It is real eyes, Hailee.
Nico is so cute. My SeaWorld, I'm over you guys.